Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. With many financial centers in Europe closing for long holidays, the risk attitudes of investors remain in check. The majority of Asia-Pacific markets are down. The bias towards the US is also evident in futures trading. The dollar is rising high. The dollar has risen against the Japanese yen for the 12th consecutive session despite more concerns expressed by Japanese officials about the move's pace. The euro is trading in a 20-pip range between $1.08 and $1.08. Sterling and the dollar bloc are the most weak. Gold is up around $14 and close to the $2,000 mark. This mark has not been seen in gold since March 10. June WTI 3-day rally to $108 has been extended by the company, but it has returned to the $106 region in quiet turnover. Asian Pacific market. China reported that its Q1 GDP grew twice as fast than economists anticipated, with a 1.3% quarter-over-quarter expansion. Although Japanese officials seem to have increased their rhetoric regarding the yen, however, the main focus remains on the speed of the move. Kuroda, Bank of Japan governor, has gradually increased his rhetoric and told the Diet that recent yen movements have been swift. Financial Minister Suzuki stated that excessive and unorganized moves can have a negative effect. For the 12th consecutive session, the dollar is moving higher against the Japanese yen. It rose 1.7% last Wednesday. After repeatedly probing the $0.7400 region last week, the Australian dollar settled below it last Wednesday and continues to fall today. Market of euro. According to the weekend press, Johnson, the UK Prime Minister, hosted the event and served drinks to colleagues at one of the COVID staff parties. According to reports, he could face another fine. Nevertheless, his performance in next month's local elections in England and Wales could tip his political fortunes. Sterling saw a significant upside reversal midweek, but follow-through buying soon ran out of steam. Today, it is close to $1.30. In an immediate response to the ECB's steady hand, the euro briefly fell below $1.0760 last Wednesday. The euro has never spent more than $1.0820 since then. Market of America. This week is quieter for U.S. data. Higher interest rates could have an impact on existing home sales and March housing starts. In the middle of this week, the Fed's Beige Book is due. Bullard, who is scheduled to speak late today, is one of several Fed officials. On Thursday, Fed Chair Powell will be joined by Lagarde from the ECB on a panel discussing the global economy. This could be the highlight. Canada's top highlights include February CPI and February retail sales. 3-day highs of CAD 1.2640 are seen in the greenback. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.